Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade options right here in ThinkorSwim. So if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is we go right in the top to setup. Then we click right here on open setup wizard, and then right now we can set up right here our options account. So now we are here on default and we want to go right here to options. So we select right here options. Then we do next, and now we can decide which font size we want to use. So decide which size you want. Now let's say medium or no, small is fine. Select right here the spacing, so tight, roomy or normal. And then after this, select right here which type you want to use, the white one or maybe the dark one. And then we click here on next. Then right now they will give you some nice tutorials. So if you want to click right here on one of the tutorials, you can do that. So for now it's not necessary. And now if you click right here on get started, he will restart right here or ThinkorSwim. And then if you can see right here, we are having now the options. So now you can decide right here at trade how you want to trade, and then you can forex trade, future trade, active trade or pair trade right here. But now we are here in the trading options. So this is how you can trade options right here in ThinkorSwim. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.